Installation of covered conductor anchoring clamp with insulator and fixing assembly. In this video, you will learn how to install anchoring clamps on covered conductors. Note: please use proper tools, procedures, and personal protective equipment to avoid injury. You will need the following tools and equipment for the installation: anchoring clamp, insulator, fixing assembly, mounting D-iron bracket, bolts, nuts and washers, suitable spanner, insulated tools, mallet hammer, pliers, and personal protective equipment. Before starting the installation, conduct a site inspection. Let's start with the installation. Step 1. Install the fixing assembly on the crossarm. Step 2. Attach the polymer insulator to the crossarm using mounting hardware like D-iron bracket, bolts, nuts and washers. Secure the polymer insulator firmly and ensure proper vertical and horizontal alignment. Step 3. Install the anchoring clamp. Mount the clamp on the insulator using the fixing assembly. Align it to match the direction of the conductor path and tighten all bolts and fasteners as per the manufacturer's suggested torque. Note: clean the conductor section to be anchored, then trim it to the desired length, leaving adequate slack for tension adjustment. Step 4. Loosen the polymeric wedges, place the conductor between them, and gently slide the wedges down so they grip the conductor. If needed, tap the top of the wedges with a mallet to ensure a firm hold. Step 5. Fix the insulation piercing connector on the conductor. Check the entire assembly for proper alignment and secure fastening. Confirm the conductor is correctly seated and the insulator is firmly attached. Step 6. Pull the conductor to the required tension as specified in the project design, ensuring proper sag and alignment with adjacent spans. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the anchoring clamp on the covered conductor. I hope you now have a clear idea about the installation procedure. If you have any doubts, reach out to us on our website access-india.com. We have a team of 50+ engineers ready to help you design and install your next covered conductor project. You can find Access designed and manufactured AB cable accessories and covered conductor accessories in rural electrification projects all across South Asia, Africa and Latin America. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos about testing and installation of AB cable accessories, lugs, connectors and other electrical engineering topics.